So we are just starting this Triund trek from Bhagsu waterfalls. The way we chose from the Bhagsu waterfalls, and I'm accompanied by Ma,
Hey.
and Rafael, and Kushal from Chennai, and she is my friend. She is from Morocco.
Hello, everyone.
She is Mariam, and you know him. There's a way from here. I wasn't knowing I was going up and up and up with the pipes, but no, we have to reach Shiva Cafe, and there's a track going from here. Just have a quick look around. So I have to go all the way from here, trek to the other side of this mountain. Okay, starting from Shiva Cafe now, and this is Bhagsu Nag waterfall, and this is a trek. I have to go all the way to that. So watch out with the steps. It's gonna be big, huge gap, uneven steps.
We want to reach there. Really?
Yeah, just kept moving.
Oh, we are in a shit actually. I'm in a deep shit, guys. If I reach there, I will dance. Indian dance.
Great. So guys, I have made it to the final point. यहाँ से 1.5 घंटा है त्रियुंड, and चलने पर है. हाँ, अगर लगातार चलते हैं तो 1.5 घंटा है यहाँ से. अभी टाइम हुआ है 1:45. प्यार मोहब्बत होने दो. This is the actual campsite. If the people can't make it to Triund, they have camp available, tent available on rent. It's there. यहाँ पे नाइट गुजार सकते हैं. You don't need to worry about अगर अंधेरा हो रहा है. 5 बज गए हैं या 4 बज गए हैं, 4 साढ़े 4 भी बज गए हैं. Please don't go away. Go further. Take a camp. Spend a night there, and in the next morning continue.
That's why protect yourself now.
It's so silent. I can feel every single tiny sounds from the ground, of the insects, from the sky, of the birds, even my own breathing. It's amazing. And these are all people who made it.
There is no path after the mountain.
And wanna see? Here's the view. So gonna make it till there. 1.5 घंटा और 1.5 hour more. Tents, Kyushu tents, blue color, sky blue color tents lying there. And from here, one person says it's 45 minutes. The tent guy says it's 1.5 hour. So maybe we are assuming it's like 2 hours for us because we are trekking slow. It's 2 p.m., 2:06. We're gonna make it by 4, I think. Don't fall. It's actually so steep, but now I am kind of used to. अब मेरे को सांस नहीं चढ़ रहा. I can't feel like out of breathing. The first time using hand, it's actually no way. It's actually straight up, no zigzag kind of way. That's why. Enjoy the view. ये फायदा होता है, ट्रैक करो, वजन कम करो. साला काय को जिम में जाना है यार. कुछ तो मजा आना चाहिए. Do it like this. Live your life like this. Man, मजा आएगा. You're gonna enjoy. सांस चढ़ेगी, मजा आएगा. It's always better to be in a company. I just got more company. Always follow the path and try to be unite. Try to be unite. Now it's like actually more of an altitude kind of thing. So now I'm feeling, yeah, I need oxygen. I need oxygen. Till that point, it was all good. But I'm like, I'm not walking, I'm running up. Because Oliver, he has went through other way. Though he has the GPS, you're gonna make it, but still concerned, because when you are in track or these kind of harsh environment, you always be sure and stay unite and follow the decisions of the group, right? I made it to the top of this place. The camp is far below now, and there are many people. There are many people. People. I have made it to this point. You can see this man-made structure here, and I think from here the Triund will be like it's behind those trees. It's behind those trees. You're gonna make it. You're gonna make it. You can see whole city. McLeod Ganj, Dharamkot is there. Dharamshala is there. All that. जहाँ तक नजरें जाती हैं वहाँ तक तुम देख सकते हो. देखो दुनिया कितनी बड़ी है. I can see the round structure of the earth, but yeah, दूर दूर तक खाली पहाड़ी पहाड़ है. See? Maybe it's the sun. Because of the sun, you might not be able to see, but it's amazing view. 2,530 meters, 31, 30 meters. See? This is amazing. Ma and Raphael are there. Hey guys! See, there they are. It's a lot of snow here around. It's just started. Above there, it's all covered in snow, actually. Yes?
Oh, the dog!
Doggy, okay, see?
He will come to the dog.
I told you dogs are the best friends. When in Himalayas, when in Himachal, कुत्ते सबसे बढ़िया दोस्त. एक बार हम तो दूसरे रास्ते जा ही रहे थे. वो आया, मेरे तक आया. फिर मेरे तक आने के बाद जब मैं रुक गया उसको देख के, फिर वो अलग रास्ते जाने लगा. और मैंने देखा कि वहाँ से लोग भी जा रहे हैं. तो then I figured out, yes, it's actually not the path जहाँ मैं crawling कर रहा था. तो वापस आया, because you should not crawl. सारा ये रास्ता जो है ये लोगों ने बनाया हुआ है. और जब आप crawling करने लग जाओ, that means you're in the wrong path. Dogs are the best friend. He's proven it. So here Raphael and Ma are sitting and relaxing, and here's the dog. Okay, so we are giving him a name. His name is Oldie. Oldie. Hey Oldie. Thumbs up to the airdrop. Let me see if I have you.
Salut chérie, j'ai essayé de t'appeler. On est à 2800
Geo.
mètres.
It's just one bar and LTE showing 8L. Okay. सांसों को नॉर्मल करते हुए. That is Triund. That point. पेड़ दिख रहे हैं. बस इसके वो जाके. It's just 100 meters from here. We have actually made it. You can enjoy the whole view. It's clear sky, but in the weather forecast, it was showing rain for tonight. There are no signs for rain and bad weather. Google, are you kidding me? Why Google? Why did you do that? Oh wow, see the bird. It's flying. We are at the altitude of 2,860.
Something like that.
Something like that. And we made it to Triund.
We are looking for some trees.
Yeah. No, there are some houses behind this thing.
Yeah.
and we're gonna go there, and that's the end of this trek. It's gonna be on snow tonight, and I'll go to that place. We got this government guest house on 1700, 2 rooms for 1700 bucks, and we are calling a night here. It's kind of getting dark, and we do not have any electricity or any water supply here, so it's gonna be a little bit of a challenge. I have this thing. This gonna work till night, till we are celebrating. We will be here enjoying and playing cards till we call it a night.
It's a bit aggressive sometimes. Like,
Because
So I'm covering now. It's gonna be my final video for tonight, and they're just busy clicking pictures.
Put the light on you.
Oh wow!
Yeah. The manager of everything.
Really?
The guide.
guide, professional guide.
Yeah.
Oh wow! I got a title. I got a title today. Thank you. All right, bye guys. Good night with the vlog thing, and I'll see you soon. Maybe tomorrow morning. Till then, subscribe and do share, like and comment on this video. Oh, तेरी मैं गिर गया कैमरा चला के गिल्ला नहीं करना भाई गिल्ला नहीं करना See, ये maybe the last shot होगा क्योंकि sun is going down और night में I would not be able to vlog a lot.